Hello and welcome to another edition of the Student's Cookery. Today we're going to do twice baked new red potatoes. First, let's get a chance to say hi to my new subscribers. Say hello to the current other subscribers. And once again, my breakfast wrap video has pissed someone else off. So, hey, what are you going to do? So I'm going to put a link for that in this video as well so everybody can see it once again. So our twice baked red potatoes, new red potatoes, these little potatoes here, and I just cut the bottom off so that they would sit on the plate nice, and they just have a little olive oil, some salt and pepper, and we're going to put them in the oven 375 for about 20 minutes or so, and we're going to see how they come out. Then we're going to slice them, the tops off, we're going to dig out the middle, and we're going to mix the potato with some ingredients and make it a loaded baked potato appetizer. So we got some garlic to put in there, we got some Vermont cheddar, we got some three pepper cheese rather, some butter, some chives, some sour cream, and I got some bacon here ready to chop up, and I'm also going to have some half and half just to see how smooth it is, or not smooth. So let's get this stuff in the oven and we'll see you a little later. Hey, welcome back. So now we got our potatoes all baked. They took about 40 minutes. But I was glad that I did it the way I did it. So now I got them all hollowed out a little bit. And it's hard to hollow those things out, but I tell you, they were hot. So I got them all in here in my bowl. All right, we're gonna just mash them up. Alright, so if you don't have one of these mashers, this is from Pampered Chef. This is a great tool. I got all my ingredients in here. Okay, but I'm going to take the half and half and put a little butter. I'm going to put it in the microwave for a second so it gets warm. Let me pause for a second. I'll be back to you in a minute. Alright, so let's see what we got here now. I heated this up because I wanted to keep it nice and warm. Let's get these nice and smooth. There we go. There it is. Alright, so now I got this. Let's get a little sour cream in there. Let's get them put together, plated, and then put them back in the oven. And this should be the way to your taste. So there is no right or wrong on this one. It just felt like doing this and making a video. So don't feel like you gotta follow this one to the T. Although you should never follow any recipes to the T unless you're being graded on it. All right, I'm gonna get a little taste, see what happens here. Oh, it tastes just like a loaded baked potato. What do you know? All right. I got my pan down here. It's still kind of warm. I'm kind of just gonna do this. I'm gonna put a little paprika on top of each one too, so you'll see that when it comes out, when they're all done. All right. Check back here. Check back with me. All right, here you go. Here's your final look. Twice baked, small red potatoes. That tasted really good. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.